Imagine staring at a ticking clock, watching seconds slip away while the IRS quietly prepares to legally confiscate thousands of dollars of your hard-earned money right out of your paycheck. Think of the sheer exhaustion of working day in and day out, sacrificing your time and energy, only to watch a massive chunk of your livelihood vanish before it even hits your bank account. As the April 15th tax deadline violently approaches, millions of Americans fall victim to the ultimate financial illusion. They think that when December 31st passed, the game was over and their tax bill was permanently locked in. But the financial elite know a massive secret. While I choose not to flash my own personal bank accounts or share my private financial details online because true wealth is built in absolute silence, my ultimate mission is to expose the exact mathematical cheat codes the top 1% use to protect their money so you can aggressively educate yourself and take your financial power back. Right now, there is a hidden trapdoor in the tax code that allows you to literally travel back in time and legally erase parts of your income from last year, maximizing your refund before the clock strikes midnight on tax day. The first magic trick is the traditional IRA time machine. Even though the year is already over, the IRS legally allows you to drop up to $7,000 into a traditional IRA right up until April 15th, and they will completely deduct that exact amount from last year's taxable income, instantly pulling hundreds or even thousands of dollars right back into your pocket as a completely legal, retroactive wealth hack. Imagine the immense relief of redirecting that money away from the government and straight into a fortress protecting your family's future. The second sleight of hand is the Health Savings Account, or HSA. If you have a qualifying high-deductible health plan, you can violently attack your tax bill by funneling up to $4,300 into an HSA before the deadline. Not only does this massive contribution retroactively shrink your taxable income for the previous year, but it mathematically transforms into the ultimate stealth retirement account that grows entirely tax-free forever. And the third most powerful illusion is the side hustle write-off. If you drove for Uber, sold a few items online, or worked a tiny freelance gig right from your couch, you have officially unlocked the business owner tax code. Most people completely forget to deduct the hidden costs of their side hustle, like a portion of their home internet, their cell phone bill, or the exact miles driven on their car. By aggressively claiming these legitimate legal business expenses at the absolute last minute, you mathematically erase huge chunks of your taxable income, forcing the government to hand you back the money you rightfully earned. You worked too hard for those side hustle dollars late at night to just surrender them back to a system that doesn't care about your struggles. The massive tax preparation corporations want you to blindly file your simple W-2 in a panic and ignore these massive retroactive loopholes so they can quickly move on to the next paying customer. To break free from this exhausting system, you have to wake up from the illusion that your taxes are set in stone in December. Execute these 3 last-minute write-offs before the April 15th deadline permanently closes the door, and forcefully command the IRS to return the compounding wealth that belongs entirely to you.
Thank you for watching this video.